Hey you guys, it's Molly. For those that don't know me, I'm a fluid artist here in South Florida, and for those that do, hello again. I'm going to be doing a black base painting tonight. It's a 2 foot by 3 foot. I'm super excited. I'm gonna do, a little while ago, I did a white base with blue flowers blown out, and this time I'm gonna do a black base, and I'm using this Daler Rowney fluorescent blue, fluo blue. And for my base, I found semi-gloss black wall paint, house paint. So I will list everything down below for the mixtures. Before I get started, I would like to say, for those that are new, if you'd like to subscribe, but for those that are subscribed, if you had hit the notification bell, YouTube made an update, so I would ask you, please, to go and check your notification bell if you haven't been getting videos from me or notifications from me, because I post about 3 or 4 times per week. If you'll check that, because there's now 3 different options, and the personalized, you have to select what you want. So you could get all notifications, so when I go live, when I do auctions, you'll get all notifications. Or you can personalize it to what you want, but a lot of people haven't been getting notifications, and that's for a lot of channels, not just mine. So if you would please check that, and you guys can let me know if you've been getting the videos or not. And otherwise, I'm gonna paint the base black, and I'm gonna go ahead and get started. All right, you guys, so I've already painted my canvas black, and I'm using, this is a mineral blue that I mixed with phthalo blue. That is a turquoise that I made myself. That is the fluo blue, the fluorescent blue, just regular Arteza white, and the Arteza pearl copper gold. So, and then this is, let me show you, the Rust-Oleum semi-gloss that I found at the store. It's not cheap, it's like $10 for the bottle, but I mixed it with floetrol, GAC 800, and gloss medium. And then I added a little bit, because sometimes semi-gloss swallows the paint, the other colors, at least it does with white, so I mixed a little bit of Creative Inspirations Lamp Black, and that is what I used for my edges as well. So that's what I'm gonna be using tonight, and I'll see you in a second. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna spread this out. This is the mixture that I was just talking about, and I hope it's thin enough because I want it to flow. Okay, so I'm gonna start with that and spread that out, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now I have spread my black all around, and to make sure it was even and all over the sides. So I think I'll start with the brightest blue. Start with my puddle like right here. And start with the brightest blue. And I think maybe I'll do a little line in between, because what I'm gonna do, I'm not going to pour the colors, blow the black over and then blow it out. I don't like that when I work with black normally. So I'm just gonna blow these out, and I want some type of interest in the middle as well. I hope my paints are thin enough. I thickened them up just a little bit so that they would show through the black. So I hope that that works. And I don't like it when it's totally symmetrical, so I'm gonna try to blow some off this side and some off this side here. So I don't know, we'll see. Okay, what have I not used here? The fluo blue, I'm gonna put it on top. Okay, I'm gonna come back through with my blue, a little bit more. Oh, I hope this is gonna be good. So yeah, I'm interested to see if this house paint creates this. I kind of like it just like this. I'm interested to see if the house paint is gonna create the same kind of cells. Black normally doesn't create the same cells, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, all right. So let me give a little bit more black to flow, have the colors flow over more. So I'm not gonna blow this over. Okay, perfect. All right, wish me luck. So first thing, I had too much black around it. So when I blew the colors out, gosh, these cells are really, really pretty though. And the color stayed really bright. So I'm just gonna work it a little bit, but I put too much black. So like this part right here. Ah! Yeah, it had a lot of black underneath there. And I don't want it in this straight like line. So I'm gonna blow this out a little bit and I'll see. I didn't get the look that I was going for. I wanted just kind of the two blown flowers out this way, but we'll see. Gosh, I don't want to touch those. The pearl copper gold is really selling up in here and I really like it, so I don't want to do much to it. Okay, let me come around on this side. Oh gosh, those cells are just so pretty. Okay, now I'm gonna come around on this side. I may be in your way for just a second, but I'm just gonna blow some of this stuff out. Oh man, that is just, wow, it's really, really pretty. Okay. I'm gonna change your angle so that I can continue blowing. Okay. And I like it when it runs over the edges a little bit. Wow, I mean, I'm really, really happy with the colors. Okay, I'm liking that. I think I'm gonna keep that. I think I'm gonna keep that the way that it is there. I like that there's a little bit more negative space up there. The gloss paint dries much faster than the semi-gloss paint dries much faster. I'm loving the cells. I'm worried about getting my chest in there, guys. Okay, I think I'm gonna take you down I may fiddle with it just a little bit more. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna take you down. Okay, so I'm gonna start here in this corner. Let me see if I can focus here. Wow. Those cells there. And those are gonna dry like this beautiful metallic. It's gonna be really pretty. So I didn't get crazy cells with this semi-gloss paint like I normally do with the white, but again, black definitely reacts differently. But the colors are really, really bright, and that is the overall look. So, I really like it. I don't know, you guys can let me know. Oop, you got my light in there. So you guys can let me know what you think. It's a little linear for me. I may blow a little bit more out to the edges, but I like the black base and I like the reaction of the colors together, kind of the cells that I got in there. So yeah, you guys let me know what you think, and if you like the black base. I don't work a ton with black, but I'm really liking this. So, all right, you guys, thanks for watching. Happy painting. Bye.